sound की problem हो जाती है. Anyway,
Okay.
good morning, welcome Anu to Dil Diyan Galan. So happy that you're here and you could join us. Can you hear me?
Yes, I
आवाज आ
can
रही है?
clearly.
Okay, good. Very good.
Yes, I
So
can.
I'm glad. I mean, I'm sorry ज्योति जी ने वहाँ ज्वाइन किया, लेकिन यहाँ पर फिर यहाँ पे भी आ जाते ना, then she would have been uncomfortable because we are talking.
Yes. No
Anyway,
problem.
I'm so glad that you could join, and welcome to Dil Diyan Gallan. Today's Tuesday, May 18th. By the way, everybody, today is exactly 1 year ago कि हमने दिल दिया गल्ला शुरू किया था. It was like 1 year back. So 1 year anniversary.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. आवाज आ रही है मेरी ठीक? Can you hear me properly?
बिल्कुल ठीक. हाँ जी.
Okay, good.
No
Sometimes
problem.
they were saying आवाज नहीं ठीक आ रही. But
अच्छा.
anyway, so I'm glad that you could come, and today is Tuesday, and welcome to Dil Diya Galla. And I just want to say, I know you've been in the medical field and for the last 40 years.
Yep.
You've been nursing home, kabidar. So I know you've been ever since you came here, this country. I mean, you're a very, very, very hard worker. I know that much. Work
Thank
very
you.
hard. Family
Thank
be here, and then family, kids, the whole thing. Like whole shebang, you can say.
you. Yeah.
You've been
Oh,
doing different things. But Abhi, good morning, Asha ji. Good morning, Rama ji. How are you? Anu ji, kahan chale gaye? Where are you?
I'm here.
I can't see you. Oh,
Oh
now
my
I can see you.
goodness.
Okay,
What happened?
don't touch anything.
No, I did not.
Oh, congratulations, Veena ji. Thank you so much for the 1 year.
Excellent.
Thank you, Asha ji, Rama ji.
Can you see me?
Yeah, now I can see you.
Okay, good.
ठीक तरह एक जगह पे रखो.
नहीं, पता क्या problem है? A call came in between.
Yeah,
That's why.
You can't pick
Yeah,
up.
I did not. Yes. No problem.
Don't pick up. Just हाँ. तो फिर ये है कि I know. By the way, Rama ji and Asha ji, this is my sister-in-law. I think Rama ji knows you.
Very well.
Anu and Asha ji, my sister-in-law, and like I'm just saying that she's been in the medical field more than 40 years, I think 40
Yes.
plus.
Since 1979.
Yeah, so then हो गया ना 40 से ऊपर.
बिल्कुल.
So she's been and like I said, very hard working. Ever since she came here, she's been working very hard, and उनका यही field था, nursing home में, and then she raised the family, the kids, शादियाँ भी सब कुछ किया. So working very hard. तो मैंने ये पूछना था. Now I think you've taken a little different direction.
Yes,
therapy का कुछ किया शुरू, and I think Sheetal Desai or something, you are a little bit connected with her too. So you can explain to our people what all good services you are doing for हमारी community के लिए. आप क्या क्या करते हो? जैसे community के लिए देखो, अब since last year ये COVID के दौरान में हमने कितनी लोगों ने कितनी चीजें करी हैं शुरू. Volunteer work, this people are giving food, people
very
are
badly needed. Very badly.
Yeah, and people are affected so much in India. We pray for them कि भी ठीक होएं, जल्दी ठीक होएं. Like the things are getting a little bit better, but still, that curve has to take place. Then the whole world can go on like before. But abhi time lagega. बहुत time लगेगा. So during this time, a lot of people have done different directions. They've started doing different things.
Yes.
So इसी में ही मैंने भी ये शुरू किया है. आपका भी, I think you started this other consulting work. So हमारे लोग, हमें रमा जी and आशा जी है अभी. They like to you can explain to them and to all of us exactly what it is that you provide the services for, and you never know when people need it. तो फिर आपके साथ they can get in touch through me or directly through you. So,
So Veena, first of all, I want to congratulate you on the first anniversary, I should say. And I want to say that as my sister-in-law, I'm very, very proud of you for what you very proud of you. You have, I know you very well. You started off as a very shy person in your life, but look, right now you are doing the most with the social media. And I'm very, very proud of you. I want to say that to you. So going back to what happened is, yes, I still own nursing and rehab centers. We sold the big ones, but the big change came for me right before pandemic. But the most importantly, what happened is a lot of people, we lost near and dear ones, and all of us did. It's not just us, but when it comes to you really, really, you have to do something about it, because how do you go on with your life? So in my life, what happened is, as you know, My partner, like a little brother to me, Dr. Lora, passed away after suffering for 9 months. So helping that family plus many others, okay, big incentive. And as my son says to me, he says, Ma, how come you didn't start this before? So I told him, and I want to convey to everybody, there's a time in life for everything, okay? Because with different priorities, responsibilities. And I want to talk to everyone today who is listening, Veena, and I thank you for really with the social media. So that a lot of people, if we can help together, that's a goal here, right? Yeah. So I started this with couple of physical therapy companies. I will talk about it, but it's really the whole purpose is a seva, and for our community who really don't know how to avail the opportunities. It's tough because as you are a parent or a grandparent, you don't want to ask anybody for help. Some people are good in picking up a phone and making appointments, and some are not. With the internet services, as I was telling you, Veena, I am not very savvy with that. I struggle with it only because even right now, my contacts are really one-on-one with people. And I want to convey to you, I have been through some very, very, very rough times, talking about over 40 years, as you know, Veena, more than anybody else.
Yes.
Very bad case of RA, which is rheumatoid arthritis. After that, I got fibromyalgia, and the list goes on and on and on. Right now, I'm struggling with my back. But what I want to convey today is that you can make a change. You can make a change to the most betterment for your life, which nobody else can do. But I believe that I have found through my training, I have been through school, as you know, I have taught a class at CW Post, and I have told the adult students, keep your books away. What you will learn from me, it's you don't need these books. Go home and read the books. And why do I say that you learn from me is through the struggles that I have been through in my life, right? Even with the most wonderful family that I have, very, very supportive. So I want to convey to each and every one of you, starting from you, Veena, that when there are struggles in life, right? When you're going through some hard times, there are better days to come. And I have achieved that. I have achieved that through talking to myself, my inner being, okay? And I'm very, very proud to say today that I've been able to get away from most of the allopathic medications, including prednisone, which is steroid, very bad for you. And believe me, my doctors used to, specialists, because I'm in this field, I have lots of consultants and colleagues, give me a lot of respect, regards, and they help me. They were scratching their head because they said, we've never seen a case like you. The worst was RA with fibromyalgia. So I feel, I will tell you, 99% better. And yesterday I had 2 hours doctor's appointment. They have never seen a case where I'm cured of rheumatoid arthritis right now. I am totally cured. And Veena, I want to say this to you. I had this other virus 2 years ago. I couldn't talk. I can't sing anymore. Okay. You can imagine how.
I know that you have. I mean, you have such a beautiful voice. Yeah.
And my husband is my biggest fan. He likes to hear. But what can you do? So when you say right now, sorry about that. He's going to take the phone. So point being, today, what I do, I'm very, very proud to say that even within the last 1 year with the COVID, especially, I've been able to help so many people through what I do, which I want to talk to in a minute.
I know. I mean, let me just say that I know you. I know you for long, like from India, and of course we know we are related. We are sister-in-laws. So this all again, and I know you went through a lot of medical and physical problems over here because of the health condition. I know that, but even then, you still continued with your work. You didn't give up. You're still doing that. You're still going on and not giving in. And that is one thing really we have to admire when you go through all this pain and struggle, and you still continue going on. So that's really admirable, I have to say.
But Veena, thank you. But Veena, that's why I do want to help a lot of people.
Yeah, that's the thing. People who have problems.
I want to help. and people that I have been helping, मेरे को इतनी blessings मिल रही है ना, you know, that's why my son says, Ma, how come you didn't do this before? So let me talk about it.
Yeah.
So I am a healthcare consultant. What I do is, the way I help the doctors is a little bit different, but let me talk about it. When the physicians in their practices, they are struggling with COVID or even pre-COVID, and it's going to be post-COVID, so they want to do something different. So they call me. So they retain me on a monthly basis, and I do the consulting with them so that they can go to the next step. That's what you and I were just talking about it, what I am doing now myself. So I want to be able to help people duplicate what I do. Okay. Why keep the secret to yourself? Help as many people in this world.
Right.
I think this is how that it should be the purpose in life. And I believe that is yours also, Veena. So yeah. So what I'm saying is, as a healthcare consultant, I help professionals go to the next level, whatever their dreams are, whatever their goals are. And coming back to our community, local community, I am not a Medicare, Medicaid specialist. However, because of my field, I am very, very blessed to have all these resources and contacts and everything. Mm-hmm. So if anybody calls me for help, I don't do that. I may not do that, but it takes me 1 second to make a phone call and get the help. It happens sometimes 10 times a day, sometimes 5 times a day, and so forth. Okay. So that's a consulting part of my business. But the way I help people, the community, is when they call me for their father, or somebody was in an accident, or somebody with just like a bad arthritis. All of us at this stage in our life have issues with arthritis, with aches and pains. It could be neuropathy. It could be anything, right? So what I have done is, Veena and everyone, I have contracted with 4 excellent rehab companies. Rehab is not other rehab. I'm talking about strictly physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech pathology, and so forth. The psychological part of that I do myself. I do case management. I do referring. So I'm busy all day long. I get the calls. So let's say that Veena calls me, take care, I have this issue and I really need physical therapy. So what I will do is, I will then assess, that's a part of the case management. Veena, like I have done with you, I will assess what your needs are, because I'm a clinician myself with this experience. According to your needs, according to your demographics, according to your geographic status and so forth, I will just get your insurance information from you, your birth date, so that then I make a decision which physical therapy company that I'm going to contact for you. Okay? When they gave me assurance that they can do it, then only very, very confidentially, I will give them your insurance information. Not just on a regular anything, because nobody should be able to avail that information. It should be all, HIPAA related and confidential. So after that, I call you. If it works, then the therapist will call you. I will also select, even within the companies, I will select as much as feasible, as much as possible. I will select the therapist and I will send you the best person. So I do.
मैंने एक बात पूछनी थी, अभी रमा जी यहाँ पर है, रमा जी ना?
Oh, very.
Yeah, she's very.
Rama ji, how are you?
She's writing to you. She said, Anuji, you are so blessed to share your knowledge. Even once when she said she needed medical advice for her husband, and you were there to, and with no time at all, you were there to help her. So she's very thankful for that.
बहुत प्यार देना. हाँ जी.
Yeah, and Asha ji bhi hai, and then she's also, I think she knows you too.
Oh yes.
She knows Asha Duaji, and my son Gautam is here. Gautam, they're all congratulating me. But मैंने ये पूछना था, like for example, in my case, I had a back issue, like and my doctor gave me a prescription, and I didn't know what to do. And my husband was talking. आपसे बात कर रहे थे तो आपने बोला कि उसकी back में दर्द हो रही है. Right away, you got in touch with me. You got all my information. And the girl who came, the therapist Agnes, who was coming, and there's a choice, I believe, either घर में आए or you can go to the office, right?
Yes.
So you do have a choice. I mean, I'm just telling everybody here कि ये नहीं कि सिर्फ office में जा सकते हो.
The reason I started and I recommend home visits from the therapy, home PT, only mainly because of pandemic. Okay, and it's a very big advantage because people with good insurances, now insurances are not giving us such a hard time for home care. So it is so much safer for people to, and what you just said is right. If you want to work on different instruments in the outpatient clinics, but that's a part of case management I'm talking about.
Right.
Okay, I'm done with this part. Now I need to go to outpatient. So then pretty much rather than changing insurances, I will go back to the therapy company. Most of them have the outpatient clinics. So then I will arrange for that. There are some companies only do home care. They don't have outpatient clinics.
Okay.
But yeah. So
It's
just
good to
so.
know. But are they like you choose the company according to the person's need, right?
Yes.
Which will fit them.
Yes.
Because different companies, like you said, you're dealing with 4 of them. So you know each one is a little bit different from the other one. And everybody's case is different. तो उसी मुताबिक आप recommend करते हो कि भी इससे जाओ इससे करो, right?
Not that I'm able to help. I'll give you a very quick example. हमारे neighbor में रहते हैं. It's a Sikh family, and Veer ji had a knee replacement, and I did not know. She did not know to call me because she didn't know I do this, even though we are friends for 40 years. But that doesn't matter. So somehow another friend told her to call me. She was in tears. He was in so much pain. He was at a rehab center a few days. Nothing was happening with him. And I said, bring him home yesterday. Or Veena, मैंने क्या करा very quickly? I got the phone with every person who was helping me. So there were 6 professionals, and this was at the hospital, and they wanted to know who I was. So they said, she is our consultant, and talk to her. You have the permission. We brought him home. Oh my God, they live right here, and I visit them. I just want you to know that part of what I do is, thank God I'm feeling so much better. I will visit you. I'll get on the phone. You can call me if need be in emergency, 11 o'clock at night. Going back to this Virji Veena, they are so happy he's receiving physical therapy, occupational therapy at home. Okay. If they went through the hospital, they would not have gotten the services that because इनको मैंने Punjabi lady है, दोनों 3 times a week. Oh my God, they feel, I visit them, blessings, blessings, and blessings. And that's the whole purpose I do. That's a
I just have to let you know that I have some more people here. Shashi is here. Shashi Dande is good. Thank you so much, Shashi ji. And Ramaji keh rahi hai कि Anu ji, she loves you and admire you a lot.
Love you.
And my friend here is Indira bhi aayi hui hai. Good morning, Indira. And then I have Gargi. She said she met you at Priya's wedding. After seeing you after a long time. So I have all these friends here. Anuj,
very
Asha
nice.
ji bhi hai. Asha and Gautam is here. Asha. So all these friends are here joining me today.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
they're all writing something. So yeah,
Very.
and Indira is good to. She said good to hear from you. So that's good to know. Indira, everybody, like all this information. हमको नहीं पता चलती. That's why I invited Anu. I said come and explain. Rather me explaining, you explain to everybody. So you never know when you need the service for someone to come to your
along
house.
With that, Veena, part of my consulting, but I wanted to talk about the therapy part. Along with this one, so what I have been doing with this gentleman, Veerji, there's a lot of anxiety when you had a surgery or something happens in your life, right? So I personally, as a clinician, I provide therapy, psychological services. Sometimes they are not covered with insurance, so that is a private pay. But other than that, I personally don't do any other billing with the therapy, only they do it. But psychological services, anytime anybody needs me, they can call me, we can talk about it, the plan, and move forward.
For example, if somebody, like you just said, this gentleman who lives near you has a knee surgery, but a lot of times when they have a knee surgery, you know that you've been through it, your husband, everybody.
It's a lot to deal with.
It's a lot to deal with. For 5-6 weeks, somebody comes to a house and Ramaji ne bhi kiya hua. So that time you can get depressed.
Yeah, very.
And when you get not only for the knee surgery, any kind of a surgery.
Time you can get.
Especially during this COVID time, like it's not easy to cope with all these things. And
so you can count on me. You can count on me for those services.
And what I'm trying to say is that even agar kisko depression ho gaya, so can they come and talk to you about that or ask you for help?
And you know what I want to say to I'm glad you pointed this out, Veena. I want to say that my training in this country of over 40 years have been all with the um, allopathic way of treating. That's how I was being treated. But what I want to emphasize here today is, along with the therapies that you need, along with the medications you need narcotics sometimes, painkillers, all kinds of things, right? But most importantly, get in touch, get aligned with your inner soul. And I mean it, okay? So I have learned so much in the last 1 year. I spend about 3 hours at night with all the spiritual gurus. I make my notes. This is how I have been able to get rid of rheumatoid arthritis, just not medications, okay? And I believe that I want to duplicate, I want to teach it to people. The whole purpose is feel good, take care of yourselves, feel good. And what you can do for yourself with a person like me or others, nobody else can do for you, Veena. You know that, right?
Yeah,
So
of course.
that's what I want to convey.
इसी करके हमने अब आप तो अभी देखो ना, हमारा प्रोग्राम के बारे में मैं थोड़ा बताती हूँ। जैसे मैंने कहा था पहले भी कि फ्राइडेज को व्हाट वी ट्राई टू डू इज शुक्राना। शुक्राना तो शुक्राना कैन बी फॉर एनीथिंग, हेल्थ के लिए, सोसाइटी के लिए, कम्युनिटी के लिए। एंड वी उस दिन हम थोड़ा भजन गाते हैं, थोड़ा शब्द गाते हैं,
वेरी नाइस,
अच्छी बात करते हैं। फ्राइडेज को ये हमें डेडिकेट किया हुआ डे, because we feel that I think we need to say so, because that came out of all of us. We really needed to do that.
Absolutely.
To do something like this, to live, going on with the society,
with this life.
And yes. COVID के टाइम में ये हमारे अपने आप ही नेचुरली हमारे में तो ग्रुप बन गया इसी चीज का। मैं कहा फ्राइडे हम डेडिकेट करते हैं for this thing only. So that's Great. What we do. Every Friday we do that.
बहुत बढ़िया,
बहुत that's everybody wants to join that. And once maybe देखो भी थोड़ा ठीक हो जाए, हालात ठीक हो जाए, I might have once a month in my house, like call everybody and we can थोड़ा शब्द भजन कुछ यहाँ पे घर में कर सकते हैं। We can do that in my house. I don't mind doing that. I told everybody last year. देखो मेरी फ्रेंड आशा जी पूछ रही हैं, वाह वीना जी प्लीज शेयर योर नंबर, शी इज अमेजिंग, शी रियली नोज हर जॉब। Yes, she really does, Asha ji. She's really top of her game. She knows exactly what to do. She's always been like that. Perfectionist.
I feel very blessed. Thank you. Thank you.
She's always been good. And Ramaji carrying two beautiful ladies doing good work for the community in their respective ways. बिल्कुल ठीक बोला। हमको देखो ना, we want to help this community, and that makes you do. When you help, किसी चीज में भी help करो, the double best part is you feel so much good yourself for doing that.
Veena,
that is the best thing it is.
Yeah, it comes back tenfold back to you. Tenfold.
Exactly. अभी हमको रिक्वेस्ट आ रहे हैं कि अनु जी इतना अच्छा गाती हैं, तो उनको बोलो 2-3 लाइनें, हमको कुछ लाइनें सुनाएं।
I have to get back to my singing, हाँ। दिल दिया गल्ला करांगी नाल नाल बैके, अख नाल अख नू मिला के, दिल दिया गल्ला, हाय दिल दिया गल्ला। To tell you the truth, this is horrible what I sang. Horrible. I'm not, but right? I did. चलो।
No, but आपने बिल्कुल ठीक पॉइंट पे बोला ना, दिल दिया गल्ला, बिल्कुल ठीक बोला। सही गाने बोला है, बिल्कुल ठीक बोला आपने।
But I have to. My husband was telling me yesterday, who is my biggest fan, कहते हैं we'll go to the beach जैसे तू practice करती थी पहले, because we went to couple a 75th birthday party. They asked me to sing परसों, and I couldn't do that because of the virus I had. But the way I got rid of rheumatoid arthritis, I'm going to get rid of this issue that I've had, and I'm going to sing and sing very well with all of you.
You should, because you know what? All of you. देखो गार्गी जी कह रही है, excellent Anu ji, I had danced with your singing anarkali at the wedding.
Yes, yes.
याद है आपको?
याद है,
प्रिया की शादी में मिले थे ना? हाँ, प्रिया की शादी में मिले थे. So we all met over there, and they all remember you. Gargi is such a sweetheart.
And back to my singing, that's a promise. Yes, I will.
You have to get back, because that's it. When I met my husband, and he told me that his brother just got married. I said, really? A few months before. I said, really? Then we got married like 7-8 months difference.
Yes.
वो कहते थे, oh my God.
Ours is
yeah. दो बहनें हैं, there are 2 sisters. Usha and Anu, my God, इतना अच्छा गाते हैं, competition गाना इतना जबरदस्त गाती हैं. You have to listen to them. I said, I haven't met them yet. मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, आप वो वहाँ इंडिया में है. But he used to keep on telling me, my God, she's so beautiful.
Oh,
इतने अच्छे
oh.
गाने गा. Oh my God. That's how when I went to India, and I met with her for the first time, I said, I couldn't keep my eyes. I said, oh my God. And then coincidentally, we both were wearing pink and black outfits.
Yes.
And I came from the plane, and you were wearing something pink and black, and I was wearing pink and black. Really,
Yeah.
we became so close. I mean, we went
Absolutely.
everywhere together.
Absolutely.
You know, it was so good. But
Just
those
together,
those
everything.
days, you know, मैं कहती हूँ फिर वापस आए. You know, it was so much fun.
Bilkul.
Yeah, I
So
mean,
I can imagine when I lost my singing, how I felt and how he felt about it, right? Because I live to sing. I love it. I'm always singing. There's always music in our house. And then with this one, but I'll get around. I'll get around.
you have to
Yes.
start थोड़ा
Thank-
practice करो, and you can.
Karungi,
Yeah.
definitely. I have to. Yeah. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
no,
Dil
आप
diya.
गा सकते हो, आशा जी, आप गा सकते हो दिल दिया गल्ला कि बर्थडे विशेस तो हो ही गई है, हमने सबने विश कर दिया, आपने भी विश किया. एंड गार्गी कह रही है कि आई आल्सो रिमेंबर योर बिग गोल्ड इयररिंग्स अनु जी. तो गार्गी, आपको मालूम नहीं, इनकी ज्वेलरी देखने का कलेक्शन जो है कमाल का ही है. वही पहन सकती है ऐसे बड़े बड़े चीजें, इनको सूट करती हैं.
I know,
हम
right?
पहनेंगे तो हम कार्टून
Nobody
लगेंगे.
else would wear it. Yeah, nobody else would wear such big
But
ones.
you
Yeah.
liked it. She likes it, and it looks good on you. So you know, and you
Now,
know what?
on the jewelry, I just put names of all the 5 grandsons. I have 5 grandsons, and we're not talking about anniversary. This Sunday is our 51st. For the 50th last year, I had a plan to surprise everybody, taking them to Paris, and we had to cancel it. You know, so Abibi is too early, but we are very blessed.
23rd को I know, I know, and then बिल्कुल एक साल एक आप देखो, अब आपकी मई में होती है, हमारी दिसंबर में. Yeah, so yeah, that's the thing. Hi Shelly ji, how are you? Thank you so much, Shelly ji, for wishing me. Big Gagi carry right, Veena ji, big jewelry looks good on Anu ji. I know. Always she looks really good in those things. So मैंने ये पूछना था,
just for the purpose of art and collection, Gargi, come to my house. I will show you, and it makes me very happy to share.
I will one day लेकर आऊंगी गार्गी को.
Definitely.
को लेकर आऊंगी, definitely.
Maybe
yes.
Veena, as you said, I will open my house if you want to do anything in our house. As you know, no issue at all in the big nice weather. We can do that, no problem.
We'll do. मैंने सोचा ना,
हाँ जी,
कभी भजन का प्रोग्राम में कुछ करेंगे.
ठीक है, live. Why not?
At one time live मेरे घर में, like we'll do कभी once a month in everybody's once in a month.
And we can do it.
जगह में ऐसे कोई ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, बिकॉज देखो भगवान का नाम ही लेना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
Zoom में तो करते हैं, लेकिन I feel I'm at that age that we should do personally भी कर सकते हैं,
बिल्कुल, why not? Life is too short.
Life is too short, exactly. अभी सब लिख रहे हैं, राय वीना जी, बिग जूली लुक्स गुड ऑन अनु जी. देन इंदिरा लिख रही है, डीजी जी हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी, कांग्रेचुलेशंस.
थैंक यू
सो मच, थैंक यू. एंड आपका भी एनिवर्सरी आ रही है. एंड गार्गी कह रही है, श्योर अनु जी, डीजी जी कैन डू ए jewelry exhibition if you approve.
Oh my God, great.
यहाँ पर सब कुछ हो सकता है. We do that all the time. So we can do anything.
I belong to an organization. It's called, Veena has been there with me when they honored me. It's called WPO, Women President Organization. So सारी यहाँ की मेरी local entrepreneurs, very successful women, they wanted to see the jewelry, right? Indian, because they saw the pictures, photos from the weddings and stuff. Believe it or not, but yes, I did that with my local American friends. We had a tandoor barbecue and exhibition of some of the clothes and jewelry. Oh my God, they said it was the best evening of their life. Yeah. So why not?
They love all these things. They love all these things. इनको पसंद है. They like all that.
Sharing your experiences, sharing your life. I think life is too short. So we all must do that.
Yeah. And Sheetal ji, मैं मिलती रहती हूँ उनको. She also is part of one of the what is it called, dynamic something, उनका है ना,
dynamic नाम है. So Veena, I deal with Sangeeta ji also. उनका वहाँ पर outpatient clinic भी है, and there are 2 other companies. But I'm telling you, it's a blessing, because we can help a lot of people, lot of elderly, lot of young people. They don't even realize, my own son, he has this neck problem for a few years. Nobody can diagnose. And I told him, I said, don't go to any doctors anymore. I'm going to take care of you. So that's what we're doing right now. And I want to do that with everybody possible. Yes.
So अभी आपकी ज्वेलरी के लिए सब सब कह रहे
Sure.
हैं anytime we want to come. So मैं
Along with jewelry goes nice food, right? So
yeah,
we'll take
so
care of it. No
we'll do
problem.
that. No, we'll and of course she's given such wonderful information to all of you. Roma ji, good morning. Congratulations for the anniversary. Thank you so much. इनकी भी एनिवर्सरी है, हमारी 1 साल की हो गई है, इनकी 51 ईयर्स होने वाली है,
Yeah.
हमारी दुनिया गला की 1 ईयर हो गई आज, बट अनु जी एंड अमरजीत जी के May 23rd is going to be their 51st year.
Yes,
That,
yeah.
that date rang the bell. मैं कहता I know because आपका 24th April को होता है birthday, and
हाँ जी,
the next yeah,
yeah,
that's one month after that आपको होता
yeah.
है. So like I said,
Ina, Ina, you get gypped sometimes because your birthday fell like this year on Mother's Day, right? So
I
you get
know, I
gypped.
know. I get mine is either one day early, पहले होता है या one day Mother's Day के बाद में
I know,
होता है.
I remember.
So it's like that all the it happens every year. तो
Every
चलो that shows भगवान ने जन्म मुझे दिया मदर्स डे के साथ में. I'm a
beautiful,
good mother, I guess. I
the
don't
beautiful,
know.
beautiful kids and grandkids.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah.
कल माइल्स
Yeah.
का birthday है?
कल
No,
माइल्स का birthday, yeah, tomorrow.
tomorrow. Your grandson. Yes,
Tomorrow,
yes.
4 years old. So
Congratulations.
time goes by very quickly. With the grandkids, it's so much fun. So
Ab-
two golden ladies, our Gargi ji carrying two golden ladies, 50 and 51 years younger. This is indeed a gift to our community. Thank you
Oh,
so much, Gargi. You're
so
such a
sweet.
sweetheart. You're
So
so
wonderful.
nice.
Thank
And
you.
Indira carry a very beautiful, lovely day spent with Anuji. So we're
Oh,
so happy. Wow, good memory. Shaliji, is so nice of you to join. Shaliji is from Chicago.
okay. Very nice. Shelly ji, very nice to meet you.
Yeah. Shaliji has a little group. हम कभी once a month मिलते हैं, like to sing.
अच्छा, अच्छा.
Good
Yeah.
memory. So I will say thank you so much, Anu, for joining today. And आपने सबको explain किया. And also some people want to share your number, and I will give it to them. So if they have any
It's
questions or
pleasure.
concerns, feel free to get in touch with Anu, and she'll explain to you and give you more details, or whatever your need may be. Depends on what you need, and then she'll help you from there. So कभी भी
Anything and everything, do not hesitate. Okay, do not hesitate. पता है हम लोग का क्या होता है? Sometimes when you're going through some hard times, you don't want anybody else to know. Okay, and no, please, because help is available, and why not? ठीक है ना? That's why I shared with you what I have been through, what I have gone through. Okay, including my singing. I can't even sing like I used to, but there is, you have to work with yourself. That's all I keep on saying. Work with yourself, be good, and get help. You're not alone in this world, right? आए थे तो हम लोग अकेले ही थे, जाना भी अकेले हैं. But there's a world. Look at Veena, what she's doing, connecting how many people, है ना?
Yeah,
So
that's right.
don't hesitate.
मुझे भी सब आते हैं, and they all tell me you're doing a good. You know what? It's a good thing for every society and good thing for
बिल्कुल ठीक बात है, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So and Anil ji भी आ गए हैं अब. Anil ji, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. And like I said, anytime you can come back, Anu, and we can.
Sure.
If there's anything new that you want to discuss or talk about,
Absolutely.
and मैं आपको recording भेजूंगी, and you can forward it. And जो हमारे friends यहाँ पर आए हैं हमारे साथ, please forward this recording or this आज का जो Facebook का है program, forward it to your friends and acquaintances and tell them to join this group. दिल दियां गल्लां with Veena Lamba 1 साल हो गया है. देखो हमारे 350 plus members हो गए हैं, and
Nice.
I want them to increase. And of course, any input or any advice or any suggestions you have, I'm open for it. And anything you want to come to the program, I'm open for it. So you
And
guys
Veena,
will know anytime.
invite me anytime to talk, to help in any way that I can. Yeah, now
Sure,
that I
definitely.
ठीक है ना?
ठीक है. And then tomorrow we are coming. Tomorrow actually गार्गी जी आ रही हैं, तो गार्गी जी का जरूर गाना सुनना और इनका हम बातें
Wow.
करेंगे उनके साथ. कल गार्गी, I'm looking forward for tomorrow.
Wow.
So, yeah, she's coming tomorrow. So thank you so much, Anu. Thanks a lot. I know you have a busy schedule.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Everyone, have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Tuesday, and I love you all. Thank you so much for joining.
Love you too. Love
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. Bye. I'll
Bye-bye.
see you tomorrow, all of you. Bye-bye. Bye. Okay, man, I'll be recording.